So if you wanna stiffen or loosen your skateboard, this is how you kind of do it. Now I know that if your skateboard is too stiff, you won't be able to take those tight turns, but this one is reaching 40 kilometers an hour, and if it's too loose, that's a bit dangerous, because you can really fall off it at that speed. So I'm going to stiffen it up a bit. So what you have to do, just turn it over, and you wanna turn this clockwise and this clockwise. Okay, so I'll give them both almost a turn. So that's about it. Now if you want to loosen it, you just do the opposite. So I'll now just test it out, and if it's too stiff, I'll just loosen it a bit more. If it's too loose, I will just stiffen it a bit more. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.